Hi, it's been a while.
Hi, I'm Shaun from the Stray Targets, and this tune's called Bread and Butter. The baffled priest just sits and sighs. The laid-up father wonders why. The P45 resting on his file. The neglected patient sits in pain. The abandoned dog walks in the rain. The lonely OAPs look at their bills in vain. The deceitful politician lies, who grinded teeth and crooked smiles. The war widow loudly cries, was it really worth it? The man on the street with just one boot gets ignored by the guy in the suit, who as he passes recites his favorite phrase, the wheels of commerce stops for no man. And Mona Lisa stopped me as I walked past her and told me there's potential without a doubt. I asked her a question she couldn't answer. What exactly is there to smile about? Right-wing preacher promotes hateful acts with pseudo-facts and silly hats to hide the devil's haircut he acquired from the barbershop, covered in Union Jacks. And have you heard of this new sensation? A xenophobic and prejudiced nation. The red, white and blue was built on exploitation, so finish it off with a splash of crimson. And Mona Lisa stopped me as I walked past her and told me there's potential without a doubt. I asked her a question she couldn't answer. What exactly is there to smile about? Sir Isaac, please explain your fear is to me. I haven't quite grasped the concept of gravity. Mr. Samuel Pepys, put this in your diary. And Martin Luther, hammer this to every door you find. Since they can't get blood from a stone, it crashes through your window. When the bailiff doesn't stop for tea, you question his morality, but then you realize that everyone's got to earn their bread and butter somehow.
I disagree with everything. I didn't even want to be here tonight. Can't you see? And you're watching
you're watching.
This is what it sounds like.
And what are you watching?
I'm watching some really angry man just dick about.